Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shubhayu Majumdar and Shrishti Rai from Team Envisage 2021, your host for today. We welcome you to the second online e-summit of Technomy in Salt Lake, Envisage 2021. eTalks is the platform where we get to have eminent personalities share their experiences and learnings towards their success with us. We will interview them and know more about their lives after they have shared their journey with us. We will ask them questions that you, our audiences, have been curious to know. Today's guest of the evening of eTalk is a very eminent person whom I admire the most. An outstanding personality, a keen film producer, an entrepreneur, a helping hand who has been helping many young minds to innovate and build their career.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Mr. Orithro Das. Mr. Das, an Indian film producer and the owner of Assorted Motion Pictures, which gave us films like Cakewalk, Season's Greetings, and Rikshawala, streaming on Voot, Z5, and Big Bang. He has also worked for Sony. His film Cakewalk and Rikshawala won many awards. He is an epitome of perseverance, dedication, and creativity. Recently, Times of India published his name among the top 5 Indian filmmakers whose short films are creating waves. Mr. Das, how have you been?
Yes, thank you, Srishti. Thank you so very much. I'm really happy because after so many, I mean, it's a long time. I am not doing anything for the filmmaking and all because of the lockdown and all. But this is the first time I am doing with the college students. So I'm extremely happy for this.
Sir, I hope you are safe and sound from the outburst of COVID 19.
Yes, I'm very much safe and I'm doing very well.
Sir, we are very fortunate and glad to have you with us on eTalks. Now
My
I would
pleasure.
like to hand over the mic to Shubhayu to take over.
Thank you, Shrishti. Mr. Das, we are really glad to have you with us on eTalk. Starting as an engineer to being the director of Assorted Motion Pictures, how exciting was his journey throughout? Also, did you have any fanboy moment being able to work with your favorite person in this industry?
Yes, and it was not so easy. It was not so easy like a cakewalk, uh,
Okay.
because I worked in corporate for almost 7 years. After my engineering, so I worked in Calcutta, I worked in Bhubaneswar, multiple city in India and abroad as well. But it's happened like I really don't wanted to be in this entertainment industry, but yes, I really wanted to do some business for myself, for my family. That was initially I just thought about it, but suddenly it's happened. But yes, of course, I don't have any experience on entertainment like filmmaking and all. And the part, it's when you say that you are a producer, it's means that you are the bridge between the creative team and the production stream. You have to do each and everything. It's not all about the finance. It's about each and everything from screenplay level to the executions like release. It's all everything you have to handle with this. But it was really difficult for me because I am not from that background. Because my father is a doctor. It's very middle class family. So in that way, film is like it's a huge investment and all. But for me, uh, I did lots of research on it because filmmaking it's not about only for money. Because how can I explain in this? Because in this genre, you need to know what you wanted to do it. Because in this market, you will get lots of content is coming up and all. But yes, execution is very very important, and the selling part is very important. Like platform is very important. People are struggling like anything. They have money but they cannot do anything with it. It's not about only money. It's very important. Whatever you will do in life, whatever you do in any sector, you have to be very careful, and you have to do, you have to do your homework and proper research on it. That is the best part, in this entertainment industry. Tell me.
So, like, did you have that any sort of fanboy moment being able to work with your favorite person, like some
Yes, but
superstar?
not. Yes, but you know what? I wish I am hoping because I met Hemaji, and I met Rekhaji as well. So it was like a fanboy moment for me because they are a beauty queen. for Bollywood and the industry, beauty. So not still I am just hoping ki I will work with them very soon. Of course, with Hemaji and Rekha ji, and they are very. Hemaji is like a family to us, so it's like a blessing that we have a person like this in our family.
That's so amazing, sir. That's indeed a wonderful journey. But before you move on, let me remind you that you're watching eTalks Envisage 2021 with Shubhayu and Shrishti, and we have with us Mr. Auditro Das.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, congratulations on your grand success. It is really amazing that your film Rikshawala has been selected at the prestigious 18th Indian Film Festival, Sagar 2021. How do you feel about it, and how was your journey into making this film?
Rikshawala is really very close to me because uh, the name itself, Rikshawala. You know how the life of a Rikshawala. It's very difficult. It's very grounded, and this content is completely dedicated to my city, Kolkata, because it's a city of joy. So the journey of Rikshawala, it's very difficult because without first of all, I would like to thank my actor Avinash, Shangita, and Kosturi because they have done a beautiful job, and of course my business partner and my director Ram Kamal Mukherjee. So and my co-producer Arbani Mukherjee and Gaurav Daga and Shailendra Kumar, because it's a teamwork. When it's called, it's a film. It's a teamwork. It's a huge teamwork and huge research work. And I really feel blessed that I am getting lots of awards for Rikshawala, and not me and the entire team of Rikshawala. I'm sure. I mean, and it's going to release very soon in Big Bang platform. I'm thankful to Big Bang platform too, because in this moment, in this pandemic, their acquisitions is very important for us, because without the platform, we are nothing. So of course, I have to thank the entire team of Big Bang.
Amazing, sir. That instills a lot of hope and perseverance in all of us. I am sure our audience is also pumped up after watching this. Envisage 2021 has come up with a plethora of events and competitions to encourage entrepreneurial spirit and overall productivity. To know more, do check us out at envisage.live.
So, during this pandemic, where it has been locked down everywhere, how has this affected the entire film industry and in general, and assorted motion pictures in particular?
Yes, of course. It's difficult time for each and everyone. Not in a film industry. It's of every sector we are suffering, like who are doing business. But of course, this is the right time as well to stand by with my team and with the industry as well, because you know uh, the industry is very emotional. In what it's my personal feelings. This entertainment industry is very emotional. It's very creative persons. It's not like very mechanical and like a corporate sector. So in this moment, we tried as a sorted motions picture to stand by with our team who are working with us in the directorial team, the technical team. We tried to work, yes, and very soon we will start our next shooting in the next month. We are coming up with our new project. So I am hoping that that is also is coming with a big bang. And also, yes, one more thing I would like to, in this entire pandemic, we try to help out to my locals who was like very needy, basically. And of course, I went to Sundarban as well, because last year Amphan, I visited 2 times in Amphan. So I tried my best in my best possible way. Me and my family and my team, enter my family friends. We tried, because it's a time for us to stand by for the people. I mean, who are really needed right now, in terms of food, in terms of in terms of work, anything.
You're truly an inspiration for all of us, and this is exactly the entrepreneurial spirit that we try to inculcate at IIC Technomy in Salt Lake.
Thank you so very much.
So, coming from an engineering background to
Yes.
following your passion in the film industry, and now after being a successful entrepreneur, how would you advise our budding entrepreneurs to be successful in achieving their dreams?
Yes, good point. Interesting point. And first of all, yes, I have done my engineering. After that, I worked with corporate. But somewhere down the line, I always felt that if you work in corporate, there is a system always, like 10 to 6, 11 to 7, like this timing and all. But there is a small things happen in my life that my nana passed away. So I that time I was working in Mumbai. So I have requested to my management that I have to leave right away. But unfortunately, it was not possible that time. So that was the moment I realized that what I will do with the money, what I will do with the salary if I'm not with my family in that moment. So that incident made me feel that no, I have to do something for me and for my family. So I would request each and everyone. It's not like you are, if you are studying on BBA or engineering, whatever you are in educational qualifications. But the very important thing is that whatever you wanted to do, like in the media, like in some other manufacturing unit, if you wanted to create your own, do some proper research. It's possible. I know that people go in the YouTube and search some motivational speech. I will not give you the motivational speech today, but it's very important. Reality is very important. What is reality? Please understand the reality. Please understand. Try to understand the exact source is very important. Every business needs a source, so you have to search the source. For this, you have to be very patient and you need a time for this. So I would request each and everyone, and I'm always there. If there is anything, I'm always available in my Instagram and all. My Instagram handle is www.instagram.com/amaritrads. So I'm always there. The way I have started. So I would request each and everyone, they also can do it in their own way. And before that, please do some study. Please do some homework and good research on it. That is the best part. I'm sure they can achieve.
That was insightful, sir. You're truly an inspiration for everyone. Though we have loved to hear more from you. Unfortunately, we have exhausted our time today. Thank you everyone for tuning in. And with that, we come to an end to today's session of eTalk Envisage 2021 with Srishti and Shubhayu. Stay home, stay safe, and get vaccinated at your earliest availability.
Thank you so very much. Thanks for the entire team, and thanks to each and everyone. Be safe and take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.